Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. So nowadays everyone is interested in doing online jobs. So today in this video we are going to see about 7 top data entry slash transcription sites that everyone can try, whether you are studying or whether you are a housewife or you are a fresher. You can try all these sites and you can find online jobs here. Okay. So before going to see the sites, let us discuss what are the various types of jobs that you can find online, and these jobs you can work from your home itself. Okay, so the first type of job is mainly data entry. So in this data entry type of job you will be entering the data. It can be in a Word format or in an Excel format. That is the main data entry job. And or it can be transcription based. Transcription means you will be given some audio files or some video files. You have to listen to the conversation in that file, and you have to write the conversation. That is, you have to type the conversation and you have to make a document out of it. Okay, so that is the first category, which is data entry or transcription. Then there is content writing. Content writing means you will be writing articles or any other content on a particular topic, and you will be selling that content for a particular price. That is called content writing. Then there is copy paste type of jobs. Means you will be copying the content and pasting it to some place. So that is another category of jobs that you can do online. Then there is online teaching jobs. Online teaching means you will be teaching the students through online. There are various sites for online teaching. There is Vedantu, there is Planet Spark, there is Swift Learn. So these are the various kinds of uh, jobs that you can do, which is online teaching jobs. And also there is various apps is there. Byju's app is there, and Academy is there. So there is various kind of online teaching jobs also available based on your qualification. Okay. Then there is URL shortening. Okay, means URL means it can be a lengthy URL. If you see some sites, the URL will be very long, and if you see some other site, the URL won't be too long. Okay, it will be short. So it is why, because the URL has been shortened. Okay, so this type of shortening, for this shortening purpose you can use some software, and this process is called URL shortening. Okay, you can do this also from your home itself, and you can work online and you can earn money. Okay, so that is another kind of job. Then there is survey jobs. It means you will be completing various surveys and you will be earning money. Okay, so for the survey jobs you can work from the phone itself. Okay, so these are the various kinds of jobs that you can do online and you can earn money. Okay, so today the topic of this video is not these kind. We are mainly focusing on the data entry related sites or the transcription related sites in today's video. Okay, so let us see the sites one by one. I'm going to introduce 7 sites. Some of other sites we have already done as a separate video itself. And all the sites, the links will be posted in the description. Okay. So if you are interested in any of this site, you can see the description and you can apply to the site and you can earn from the site by doing the online jobs. Okay. So the first site is Fiverr. It is a very famous site. It is an Israeli site. And here many people are working. You can, if you see this site, you can see that there are the various profiles of various persons, and they are working in this sites, and they have given a short description also regarding what is the kind of job that they are doing. Okay, so these are the profiles which the persons have been created, and these are mainly data entry related profiles. Means these persons are mainly doing data entry jobs. Okay, and the profiles that you create in Fiverr, it is called gig. Okay, and one of the main advantage in Fiverr is that you can earn very good amount of money. But one problem here is you have to your profile need to have a very good ranking in order to get jobs. Okay, that is one problem uh, with Fiverr. So once you start, you have to work really hard and you have to make a very attractive profile. Only then you will your profile will be showing good ranking. Only then you will be getting good amount of work. Okay. Now, if you see the YouTube, you can actually get a lot of tips to make an attractive gig. Okay, so don't worry about it. You can get assistance by seeing various videos. Okay, this is the site of Fiverr. It is an Australian-based site. So if you are interested, you can explore here. I've already signed up. If you are interested, you can also sign up. Okay. So in order to sign up, you have to click on this join. Okay. So here, what we are actually saying about these type of jobs is we are going to sell our service. Okay. So we are called as service sellers. Okay. So that is the first site of this video, which is Fiverr. Next site is Freelancer. So this Freelancer is again another popular site. It is an Australian based site. Here, if you scroll down, you can see various categories. Okay, the various categories is logo design is there, package design, mobile design, WordPress, then illustration, various lot of categories are there. Okay, 1800 plus skills are there on which various people are working. Okay, so this is again another site you can explore. You can click on the sign up icon and you can start working. Okay, so before that is before applying to any of this site, you can actually go to Google and you can see the reviews. Based on the good reviews, you can choose the site. Okay, so that is the second site, which is Freelancer. Next, the third site is Go Transcript. It is a US based site. Here also you have to sign up and you have to create an account. Then you have to and then you can start your working. So here what happens is that when you sign up to most of the site, they will conduct some test. Only if you pass the test, you will get jobs. Okay, so that is the case. So this is a third site, which is Go Transcript. Now, if you want a detailed video, means the signing up procedure, the test, the details on any of these sites, please do mention that in the comment section. We'll be doing it as a separate video. Okay. So here I'm just introducing the sites. If you want a detailed video on the selection process, what is a test nature, how to sign up, all these things, if you want a separate video, that you can mention in the comment section. We'll be doing as a separate video. Okay. Next one is a next site is called Truelancer. It is again a very good site. You can explore the site. It is a Indian based site. You can find good quality of works here also. Again, the procedure is same. You have to first sign up. You have to attend the test and you can clear. If you clear the test, uh, you can start working. Okay. Next site, we have already done a video on it, which is Rockerstop. It is an Indian based site. I have already created an account here. And here, in order to start working, you have to click on this work as a freelancer. So we have already done a separate video on it. So if you want to have more details about this site, you can watch that separate video. I'll be posting that link also in description. Okay. So that is the next site we are seeing, which is Rockerstop. Next, again an Indian site, which is called Work and Hire. So here you can see that they have written India's first online marketplace to bring contractors and clients under one roof. Okay. So this is again an Indian site. Now, what all jobs you can find here? PHP programmer, iPhone developer, data entry is there, content writer is there. So for all qualifications, there is openings. Okay. So for technical side also and also for non-technical side, there is opening. Okay. So these are the main skills on which they are looking for people. And if you are interested in doing any of these jobs, you can apply to this site. Means you can create an account here and you can start working. Okay. Now, the last site that we are going to see in today's video is Verbit. So Verbit, we have already done a separate video. Verbit is a US based site and it is also a site which is providing a good amount of salary to the persons who are working in the site. Okay. So that is Verbit. Again, we have done a separate video on the same. If you are interested, please to watch that video. I'll be posting the link in description. Okay. So based on the ranking or based on the reviews, good reviews, I have actually arranged the sites. The first one I have shown is Fiverr, but as I've told you, you need to have a good ranking. You have to first make a very attractive profile So based on that profile only, you'll be getting the jobs. Okay. So what you have to, if you're registering to Fiverr, you have to first create an account which is very attractive. Okay. So that's all for today's video. A lot of people are interested in doing online jobs and these type of data entry and transcription jobs. So you can explore any of these sites if you're interested in. All the links will be available in description. You can check out the sites. You can see the reviews. If the reviews are good, you can sign up or create an account and you can start working. Okay. So that's all for today's video. If you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.